I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so here we are. We are Tuesday. We are heading to Bern, which is the capital of Switzerland. Apparently still very small and kind of cool and scenic. Lots of cool stuff to see. Sitting here, we're in the train station in Zurich.
And we're just in the big open end half where there's lots of art. It's really pretty. You have all these old buildings that have been modernized on the inside, but they keep all the art on the outside. So I missed it yesterday, but all of these have moldings along the way. Mm-hmm. So we had some great coffee.
I still have great coffee.
I downed mine because it was necessary.
But just cool stuff. So over there is where all the trains were, which we showed where we showed yesterday, but just in this big open spot here. So thought we'd go over here, check our train, see which platform we have to go to.
He's really great at navigating. I'm super thankful for his skills in that way. I'm learning a lot, but it's really helpful if you're kind of scared of solo. Pick a friend who's maybe done it once or twice. It's not bad to solo, but practice is good so you don't feel overwhelmed. Though I will say, they're really helpful with all their maps. Everyone has been super friendly. I feel like even if I didn't have a traveling partner, this is an okay country to come try out.
And the other thing is, I was told that the Swiss train app on your phone is fantastic. It is. It's really good. We got our passes straight in it. They can scan it. You can figure out exactly when your trains are, what platform, how many people. It's really pretty amazing. So,
if you're gonna take several trains, do a Swiss pass if you can afford it. It makes your life really easy. More than about 2 trains over an hour pretty much pays for itself.
Yeah, it pays for the trains, it pays for getting into museums.
We got on a boat that way yesterday. Yeah. You could ride a cable car that way if it's running, though you need to check the months that's in session. That's mostly summertime. Yeah,
the boat, we were gonna go buy a ticket, and I was like, oh, wait, we have the Swiss pass thing, and they were like, you're good. So
just get on board.
Yeah, so it worked pretty well. So just thought we'd check this out before we get on the train. Trains are back there with all the platforms. And we'll go. All right, so we're off to Bern. All right, so we're off the train here in Bern. We're just gonna wander out of the train station. We're on Wanderweg.
Yeah.
Or Wanderweg.
Wanderweg.
Yeah.
And it's very clear there are lots of people doing lots of different things today. I see people super just with an itinerary and bikes and field trips. We saw, I think, 3 of those on the way here.
Yeah, big herds of kids, yeah. Everyone holding hands.
Yes.
So, yeah, so just walking along. We're gonna head down what looks like kind of the old part of town. So there's lots of good places to look at. So we're just on wandering.
Cathedral, a river, why not?
Yeah, exactly. All right, we're gonna keep wandering.
Before we get run over.
All right, as we continue to walk through the district here, there's not only these cool statues, we have bears with armor and swords. A statue with at least cherubs on top. But if you can notice from here, he's eating one of them. So, if you haven't found a plaque on this or know the story behind this.
It's very sun blown out.
Yeah, behind this particular statue.
I walked around the whole thing.
But yeah, we have a statue here, and he's definitely eating a baby or a cherub. I suspect a baby. He's getting an entire basket full of them.
It's gonna have to happen.
Dia and the famous feet pictures. Has to happen. Didn't want to miss this. The big Gothic church here in Bern. As you can just see, goes up and 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 up. Under remodel a little bit. This huge plaza here. More statues just everywhere, and all the water you can drink because of the fountains, which is great.
Yep, if you're dehydrated here, it's your fault.
So I didn't want to miss that. You're kind of in this core of the center of Bern.
The streets are so beautiful with all their flags and balconies.
All right, so back up the train back here in Zurich.
Huzzah, and like 9,000 more people than this morning.
I know, right? So clearly rush hour here, everybody piling out. We did come back right in the middle of commute hour, which of course is a bit of a drag, but you can get water out of the fountains, which is really cool, just like that.
So you want to just carry an empty water bottle?
Yeah, so it worked out really well. So if you get a water bottle and you can fill it, you can get some more water. And we have an 8 car going by, so I'm gonna cut there.